town. I knew I was going down hard today, but that felt good to get out of the way.
Have you ever had a dreams that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
No, you're good. Don't think about it, just do it. Ah, I tried doing what he did. I told Nikki I was gonna work out after this. That shit's dead, dude. I know, that shit's dead. Well, Willies are your best friend. Come here. Huh? What?
Guy said it's a coat rack. It is today.
Let's get it! Oh no! He dumped it! Oh shit, right into the tree. Swing the back end. You have front brakes? No. Oh great, cool. Whoa! Fuck. Yeah. Gotta catch him. Ah! So much mud. You think I can return these?
$10K, I just counted it up, little bitch.
If I had front brake, it would make it a lot easier. Yeah, it would.
I'm feeling way up, but fuck it, I stay up.
They look like little ants. I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't about to crash a million times. Woo! I can't see sugar. You're good, you're good. I yell a lot, you're good.
Dumb piece.
Am I Jason Borowski yet?
We ain't get no sleep, but please, you ain't get no money like me, Boy, flee, 25 bring them niggas around me, We G's, and my niggas, we count them G's,
Oh my gosh. Line it up! Oh my gosh, here we go, here we go. Yeah, I have a two-stroke. That's not gonna work out, guy. I mean, we'll try it. Oh, he fell? Whoa! All right, what are we gonna do here? We're definitely gonna fall.
a little bit, she don't wanna know, give me that time.
Oh, this is amazing. You dropped it again.
A little bit, she can't even come to the spot. Take to the telly and I bust her down like a block.
It's about to go down.
Ah, fuck! Woo! Dirt bikes are meant to go down. Oh, yeah. All right. I knew I was going down hard today. That one, handlebar punched me in the ribs. But that felt good to get out of the way. There you go, baby! Look out! I am the best worm! I'm the best worm out here! What?
Man, I'm elevated, and I can't feel my face off the medications. That love you have for me was just replicated.
Oh, now that I went down, I'm not scared to do it again. I don't know where I'm going. Oh! Street bikes and dirt bikes, completely different ball game as far as the trails. Unless you take a street bike in the trails, you know? You never know about that. I always thought about that. Let's do that again. Fuck. It's so wet over here. Fuck.
Sad song, I need meditation. Ain't no one believe, don't need that in my wife.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Hold on. Hold on.
But I'm my evil. Till you brought out my evil. Now I'm sitting in my room so mad, missing all the time that we used to have. Not on the same page, can been in the past, even on my shoulders that I need to get a grasp for the energy.
I guess I'm craving chicken. You guys ever crave chicken for no reason?
For the vibe, you
Let's go! Hold on! Oh,
2 hours later.
Sugar! Oh my gosh! Are you okay, Tyre? I'll take a guess. Oh, mother trucker. Hey, you look okay. Oh! Dude, I can't. Ah! Dude, I gotta stop. Oh my gosh. Have you ever rode? Oh my god. You guys saw that. That was me trying to open my hand. My hand was stuck. I pulled it off and it was still stuck. Burgers everywhere. Burgers and hot dogs in half now. Come on, I'm on your ass. I'm so lonely. Oh, there goes. The thing about dirt is I have to watch out so I don't eat. There's rocks everywhere. I don't know what I'm doing.
Whoa, tree. Ow, my eye. I don't want to go through the trees. Think I can twist it? I don't know. We'll find out. I got it. Fit my boot under this.
We got it!
Make it there. It's a headbanger, certified fucking bangers hit. I'ma go to hell and spend a check on a souvenir. Doty in my system, Girl Scouts hit the ceiling fan. Demons in my cup, naked bitches.
Y'all see that guy, right? Yeah. There's a guy right down there just standing there. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm not tripping. I do. He's right there, like, I don't know. Okay, am I tripping? No, I see him. I waved to him. Nothing. He's just standing there. Yeah, he's over there. Over there. Just standing there looking at me. Let's go find out. Are you gonna fall? Nah, you're showing. See if he's there. And if he's trying to mix, I got him. So he was standing. Okay, you see that log that's kind of like this? Right there, laying down? He was like there, like behind that. So like I came down here and I just saw him standing there. And I was confused. I don't know if he's like walking a dog or something, because I couldn't see. But he was probably that guy in that car. He's seen you? Oh shit! I'm not fucking with it. It was a big ass rot, yo. That was a big freaking dog. That was like a small bear.
I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fuck shit. Young and trapping out the band though, from the ceiling.
I chugged like a quarter of a bang before I came out here. Yeah, you tired, I see it. You got your tongue out your mouth like a dog. You need to stop drinking so much beer. When boredom sets in.
I forgot to turn the gas back on.
You ever get bored and you start doing some weird stuff? You think to yourself, are you good? Are you sober? It's literally me 24/7. Sold it! Sold it! Oops.
What the heck what is that? What kind of bird? What? I thought it was a chicken. I'm like, hold up, fella, you in the wrong side of town. Oh!
I'm in my section, get hit in my section at 12. Go find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch out a bit.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Jugging, dissect your hand if your hand in my put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a pussy, your panties get tookin'. I'm not the type to go fuck with them niggas who fuck with them niggas.
I didn't mean to do that. All right, don't whiskey throttle. Oh. Ah, my hand. Oh, is it like that? Oh, solid. Looks like fun. When opportunity presents itself, take it. You never get it. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Fuck! That shit hurt! Fuck! I just got stung by like 4 bees. Ow! Fuck, that stinks! Fuck, I just got stung by like 7 fucking bees. Hey, on you. Ah! And my whole back just starts lighting up in pain. I got the joint in one of my face. Oh, shit. Ah! Oh! Okay. Woo! You good? You good? Oh, once again, forgetting to turn the gas on. I'm sitting there, I'm like, bro, I'm about to die. Oh! I'm soaked! I see how y'all day's going. Yeah, yo, I came in hot. Just wave to him. When in doubt, wheeling. Shit. It's so slippery. Oh shit. Okay, I'm done cool, Dad. I'm not flying off this hill.
Niggas who stay on some fuck shit. Young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money.
Oh my god! Wow! Let's go!
Watching me, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
It died. What the fuck? Why do I have a branch in my lap?